Hey everyone, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can freeze frame a video on the CapCut PC. So here I've already import a clip, and to do the freeze frame is basically so easy. You just need to click on the clip in a track, click on a clip, and in here there will be lots of options that you can choose, and to freeze frame you just need to click on the freeze. So beside the delete option there is freeze, this one. So just go to where you want to do freeze frame, then click on this freeze button. Okay, so just like that, a freeze frame will be added to your clips like this still frame like this, and that's it. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button on there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on a thanks. Bye.